Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am showing few simple patchwork blouse sleeve designs. Patchwork blouse sleeve designs are a beautiful way to add creativity and uniqueness to traditional saree outfits, especially if you love experimenting with textures and colors. These designs combine different fabrics like silk, brocade fabric, velvet net, or even printed cotton pieces stitched together in artistic patterns to create eye-catching sleeves. For silk sarees, contrast silk patch panels with zari borders give a rich and festive look, while for cotton and printed sarees, subtle floral or geometric patch inserts add a stylish yet elegant touch. Velvet patch highlights on the sleeve ends, temple border patchwork, mirrorwork perches, and embroidered fabric panels are especially popular for weddings and festive occasions. Some designs feature layered patch strips, scallop patch edges, or checkerboard style fabric placements that create a trendy and designer finish. You can also opt for sheer net sleeves with silk patch applique work for a modern twist. Whether it's short sleeves, elbow length, or full sleeves, patchwork detailing adds depth, texture, and a handcrafted charm that makes your blouse stand out beautifully with any saree. I hope you all like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel. If you need any other designs, do share them in the comments. Thank you guys for watching our video.